Hi, I'm here to show you what you get when you buy a half a pig. This is an average hanging weight pig, 101 pounds. And it's usually 2 boxes, but this person got a head and all the organ meats. You can also save the skin and fat, and that would change a little bit on how many boxes it is. All right, here we are, all unboxed. Again, this was a 200-pound pig, normal weight. This is half a pig, so 101 pounds is what we ended up with here. Hanging weight. You can choose to keep the head. There's a lot of good meat on there to be used, and I'd be glad to show you what to do with that. If you have any questions. Bacon, we've got 4 pounds of, this is actually cured pork, savory, sage, and peppered bacon. Lots of options. 4 packages, they're about 1.5 pounds each. Now, this is fully customizable. You can choose 1 pound packs, 1.5 pounds. In all of this, you get to choose the steak thickness or the roast weight. You always get a package of bacon ends. Ham hocks, we've got 4 here. They're about 1 pound, a little over 1 pound each. Neck bones, you can choose to cure them, keep them fresh, or grind the meat. This is Italian sausage. You get 2 types of sausage when you get a half a pig. So they chose Italian sausage and andouille, the spicy sausage in a link. We also offer Italian special blend, which is a sugar-free breakfast, and bratwursts, or chorizo even. So a lot of options for sausage, links, or in just a ground form. They chose to cure their pork chops. These are boneless chops, thick cut. These are about 1 inch thick here. And they also got, let's see, 4 packages of those and some just boneless pork chops. 2 per package normally. You can choose how many you want in a package. And we've got 5 packages of those here. They ended up with 4 packages of andouille. These are about 1.5 pounds each per package. And the Italian, it's half and half. They chose 50-50 on that. We've got 6 packages of country style ribs here. Now you can choose country style ribs. You can have shoulder roast. This particular cut comes from where the shoulder hooks onto the rib cage. So we got a little over 1 pound per package, and we've got 6 of those that are great in the crock pot. You really like ribs, you'd probably go that route. Country style ribs. Here we have spare ribs. There's 1 of those per half. It's about 2.5 pounds. And baby back ribs. Also an option if you're a rib lover. And 1 tenderloin per half pig. Now here's the leg. These 3 roasts here. 1 back leg per half, and you can have them made fresh. You can cure and smoke them. You can do ham steaks. A lot of options there. You can grind it into more sausage if you would like that also. And options for other things at no extra cost are back fat, which is great for making your own sausage. If you're a hunter, great to mix in with your venison to make your own sausage. And leaf lard is the very best for cooking. You can render it to make pie crusts, etc. Fry your vegetables in it. 2 packs of pork bones. These are about 2 pounds each. Great for making bone broth or feeding your pets. Also, we've got pork liver and pork heart. So you can choose to save the heart, liver, tongue, kidney. A lot of options. Thanks for joining me today. Be glad to answer any questions. Reach out at our email. info@nourishedwithnature.com, or check out our website, nourishedwithnature.com. Thanks for joining me. P.S. This is enough meat to feed a family of 4 for about 6 months. It just depends on how much you eat and what other types of meat you eat, how many meals you cook at home. And it's more economical to buy in bulk like this than buy the cut, but we offer that as well.